My dear friends, any once win or lose, or success or failure, getting or forgetting, anything achieving or not, is just in between these two letters, E or A. I am a limitless possibility. No mind, you are just a slave. You are not the master. I am the master. You have to listen. You keep a corner. Every work, हर काम भगवान के लिए अर्पण करने वाला ये काम है, एक पुष्प है, एक चीज है. हम ऐसा मानना है, ऐसा करना है, जरूर हम जीतेंगे और जी पर कर जिएंगे. We must become the. If you want to realize that you want to become the light of this world, listen to me. Listen to me. If you want to realize that you are the light of this world, you need another three values. E, A, L in real. What E stands for? Efforts. Efforts. A for abilities. A for? E for? E for? A for? Yes. My dear friends, any once win or lose, or success or failure, getting or forgetting, anything achieving or not, is just in between these two letters, E or A. What are your abilities? How much you are applying the efforts? If your effort is up to the mark of your ability, achievement will come on its own. If there is gap between your abilities and your efforts, in between that gap, your defeat and your failure will break dance. What is your ability? I'll give you a mantra. Chant it 11 times every day after getting from bed. Will you do it? I am a limitless possibility. I repeat it. You all repeat behind me. I am a limitless possibility. जोर से. I am a limitless possibility. I am a limitless possibility. That is your ability. You have your ability is not having any boundaries. Your ability is not having any restrictions. Your ability is not having anything of limitations. But your mind is applying all limitations. Oh, what is your name? Your name? Huh? Aditya. Oh, Aditya. Aditya's mind is saying every day, Aditya, you can read this much. Aditya, you can do this much. Aditya, you can strive this much. Aditya, you can win this much. The mind is imposing negativities. That's why we all people are forgetting our true nature. That's why chant every day 11 times this mantra. I am a limitless possibility. No mind, you are just a slave. You are not the master. I am the master. You have to listen. You keep a corner. You be a corner. Do what I say. Darlings, in this manner, you have to apply. See, in this manner, we have to apply 100% effort. What we have to do? Tell me. There must not be any gap between abilities and Definitely one day you will achieve whatever you want to achieve. So in these real values, what is the last one? L. What's it? L. And what's it? Love your every work. Love your every job, every work, anything. You love it. तेलुगु में पनी सुना है? Calm. It is called pani. What is it called in Telugu? Pani. What is it called? Pani. It is a pa ni. Pa ni. Pa. Calm means, pani means pa. Paramatmuniki. I will tell it in Telugu and I will translate in Hindi. Paramatmuniki, to God. Ni, nivedana, offering. Every work, हर काम भगवान के लिए अर्पण करने वाला ये काम है, एक पुष्प है, एक चीज है. हम ऐसा मानना है, ऐसा करना है, जरूर हम जीतेंगे और जी पर कर जिएंगे. So, what L stands for? Love my every job. Tell it. My every job. Again, love my every job. Okay, my dear friends, my dear sons, two friends that I introduced you. In these two friends, there are many other co-related friends. F, R. Next, what is it? Huh? I. So, what is the third letter of friends? What is it? Identify your flaws. Identify your merits and demerits. Identify your. Please tell it aloud. Identify your. If you know what your demerits are, definitely you can rectify them. Don't accept them before anyone. You accept them with own yourself. Rectify those demerits. Everything. You have to kill 5 things in your life. 5 major demerits in life. That is laziness, 2 negligence, 3 postponement, 4 negativeness, 5 chit-chatting. You know, as a very blind person, till today, right from my childhood, I had not wasted a single moment or minute of my life for a sake of chit-chat. Because खुद सीखना है, to learn more, to listen more, to live with more knowledge, to live with more happiness, to live with more joy, to live with more smile on my face. Ever strive with a note of identifying those demerits and merits. Can we do it? As dad. Boss, don't feel regret as if I have shouted at you. I have only one intention, that all of you must lead your life right from this moment in a most glorious and marvelous way. For that only I am speaking, I am shouting, and I am speaking to all of you people. Please try to understand the bottom of my heart. Thank you, my dear. So, identify our merits and close your eyes every night before you go to bed. Just analyze yourself. What are the demerits? 1, 2, 3, 4 that I have committed today? How that I have to rectify tomorrow? Because man is a continuous process of reformation. The form which is there in you must be reformed. One day it will be transformed. Thank you, my dear darlings. Identify your merits and demerits. If you know where you are weak, you can concentrate over there. If you know what is your flaw, you can concentrate over there. You can know what is your demerit. You can make it so strong. Make it so strong in your life. You ever accept that. Never deny anyone, even a little boy who comes and tells, Bhaiya, ये तेरे बिहेवियर में गलती है, मान लो. Listen to them. Listen to them. One parent had called me 1.5 months back while I was speaking at Indra Towers. There in this Kommadi Vishakhapatnam only in your Sri Chaitanya branch. One of the student, a girl student, happened to listen to my talk. She expressed and explained everything to her father. The father had called on me. Bharadwaj Garu very nicely said, I love you so much. But a term which you used in your entire speech is a bit mistake. A word which you have uttered. And he said, you are a very big person. I'm sorry, I should not say like that. And he disconnected the call. I have given a call immediately. My dear sir, you are not just a parent to your daughter. As a parent to me, I am asking, what was the term that I wrongly used? Please tell me. I will never use it again in my entire life. A person like me who addressed 2 lakh children in all these 10 to 15 years of my time. Right from 15 years, I have been speaking to all the gatherings. Who are you to point me? Why are you pointing me? I did not say so. Please, sir, tell. He did not tell. I pleaded, I requested, even, I begged him. Please tell. Sir, this is not a speech right now. Way back in your YouTube Lhasa Foundation channel, a simple term, a scolding, which you use the term. This is the term. Don't mind, sir. I have thanked him. My dear father, you are not just father to your daughter. You are also father to me. You have just corrected me. See, nobody on this planet Earth is 100% perfect Raymonds. Nobody is 100% perfect. Everybody must move towards 100%. That is what life is all about. Accept. Identify and accept. Tell me, identify. Tell me, identify. Identify and accept. Oh, what a great friend. F. R. F. Focus and fault management. Failure management. Focus and Alpha. Real values. Alpha. REL. Alpha. Realize the purpose of life, cause of our birth. Purpose of life, cause of our birth. E for efforts. A for abilities. There must be a matching with these two. And alpha, loving our job, loving our. Everyone has to say, I for identify and accept. Identify and accept and rectify. Oh, IAR. Say identify. Say aloud. Identify, accept and rectify. That is what IAR. FRI. What is next? E. What is next? Energy. Enthusiasm, the will, see, everybody is saying that I have a great feel to achieve something. I have a great feel to do something. I have a great feel to do this. I have a great feel towards all this we declare. But why are we not able to achieve? Because as if we are having only feeling, we are not able to achieve anything. Only feel will not bring anything. Don't have any feel. Have only zeal. Then only you can win anything in your life. That zeal comes from energy. That zeal comes from energy. That zeal comes from mighty energy. Mighty energy, infinite energy. That zeal comes from mighty energy. That energy, say, zeal comes from energy. Energy comes from enthusiasm. Oh, till 12 o'clock we have been reading enthusiasm. Your lips must be blossoming with smile. No headache. Right from morning, I have been speaking, but I'm not bored because I have enthusiasm towards my talk, towards my love, towards my children, towards my children, towards my sons, towards my everyone. I am having that enthusiasm over my talk. I am having enthusiasm towards my philosophy. I am having enthusiasm towards my objectives. I am having enthusiasm towards my life, about my work, about my service. That's why that enthusiasm is giving me the energy. That energy is giving me the zeal. That zeal is pushing me towards the victory.
Like this video, share this video and subscribe to Lhasa Foundation YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Do write your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment box and ask for more new videos on which subjects you want. Support Lhasa Mission.